just putting religion into culture, going all the way back to when colonizers came through. That kind of like, this is what you need to do. This is church. This is this. You need to come through. It all came from that colonial mindset.
Yep.
Like you could be the top of the top, and then all of a sudden you're not anymore. And it's just it's just the nature of the beast. It's got nothing to do. It's nothing personal with people.
Yes.
This is how it is. You're just a cog in the machine. And when they need a new cog, or when their cog breaks out, or that cog wants to go back to Taranaki, another one gets replaced. And it's just how it works. It's not. And yeah, to not take it personal, it took me a little while to do that, but yeah, I'm there now. Growing up in the hood, being fair-skinned and trying to, again, I was too white for Sione, but I was too brown internally for John. No, so like there was this juxtaposition between these two people, dichotomy of it. I speak on the time when I figured out I could use it to my advantage, was when like my mate was getting like the police dog like sicked on him, and the police dogs left me alone, and I got to pet the police dog, and I was good to go. Like it's just funny things like that I've noticed being fair-skinned and being proud Māori. There's that saying of like, when the grass is cut, the snakes, you'll be able to see the snakes. Yeah. And that was very, that, I'll tell you what, sis, you cut that grass pretty short to the ground. I'm just going to say that. And that's I think, that is what I think your superpower really is, sis. I think you're really good at that. There's some things you say, I think, I never thought of that angle. And then I go to the comment section and I go, oh, I'm glad I didn't think of that angle before you did.